Hi, in this video we will see about TP-Link Wi-Fi router. So this is a single antenna TP-Link Wi-Fi router which I have already connected. So you can see this is a connected to AC 2-pin outlet 240 volts. So when you just switch on, you can see the lights getting on here. This is the power on switch, and then you can see once it starts, you can see the Wi-Fi also will get switched on in few seconds. So it will take few seconds to connect. So, and you can also see one more light which is internet is connected to this. So let us go to the back end of this machine and see the connections, how it is done. So if you just see from here, so you can see that this is the power cable, and then this is the LAN cable which goes to the computer. Then this is the internet connection from outside. So I have taken an ACT FiberNet connection. So this is the ACT FiberNet connection which has been given from external network. So this is how it is connected from the back end. So I kept it on a stand like this and is connected to the AC outlet. So there is a network cable which comes like this and is connected to my laptop, so that I can access both the LAN and also now you can see the Wi-Fi is also getting switched on. So this is the Wi-Fi. So now I can connect to the Wi-Fi and browse my internet. So this is a very nice Wi-Fi router which can be used in home for around for a quite a long distance. Suppose it can, if your house consists of 2 rooms and 1 hall, so the entire house you can access the Wi-Fi. It's a very nice device. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful to all. Thanks. Bye.